Okay, class, next one, partial fractions. We are still in partial fractions. A little repeated case. So let's say you got yourself (9 over x minus 1 x plus 2 squared). So what's the example? What's do you get? How do you split it? This one is what? Linear. This one is? What do you call it? Repeated? Because they're squared over there. So what will we get? A over x minus 1, that's for linear. What about the repeated, class? B x plus 2 plus C x plus 2 squared. Are you okay? So these two belongs to the repeated and this one belongs to the linear. What's the next step we do after this? We multiply, we darab. We darab with what? Darab with this one. Okay? Okay, class, please listen to this one carefully. Most people make a common mistakes at this moment. So please give me attention. 1 minute at least. Full attention for this one. So the left side, what do we get? 9. This one here we multiply with x minus 1, x plus 2 squared. Dengar elok. So what do we get? A x minus 2 squared. Are you okay? Oh, plus. Thank you. Plus. Are you okay? I'm not okay. Sorry. Dengar elok. Ini penting. Ini orang silap. So next one here we multiply with what? Plus B. Do you got x minus 1? X minus 1. Very good. This one squared, right? So what do we get? X plus 2. Do you got that? Tak faham angkat tangan, satu orang lain. Very good, I'm impressed. Now what about the last one? C? X minus 1. Is there anything else? No. The x plus 2 squared, what happened? We cancel off. Do you want me to explain that one again? Tak faham angkat tangan? Thank you very much. Because like I mentioned before, many people got this part wrong. Okay, it's simple, right? It's not that difficult. That's because you pay your attention. Thank you. Okay, so now how do we continue from here? Which one is the easiest one that we're going to get into 0? This one lah. Okay, so here let x equals to 1. So left side, what do I get? 9. This one? 3 squared. Be careful. What about here? X minus 1 becomes 0. This one becomes? Do you get it? Tak faham angkat tangan? So A is 1. Oh, senang rasa. Alhamdulillah. Berkat doa ibu bapa tu. Okay, another part. What else can we make things become 0? Next one is this. Okay? So let x equals to negative 2. So 9 equals to 0. Are you okay? Now this one becomes? This one becomes 0 as well. Why? There's the x plus 2 over there, sir. Are you okay? Now what about this one? negative 3c. So that means c is negative 3. Are you okay? Tak faham, angkat tangan. Please raise your hand, I'll teach again. Thank you very much. Alright, now if you have a look, there's one little trick there. There's x minus 1 here, there's also x minus 1 here. There's x plus 2 there, there's also x plus 2 here. So my question is, how are you going to find b? You dapat AC, but how b? We can make this one become 0. If I make this 0, this one becomes 0 as well. If I make this one become 0, this one becomes 0 as well. Want to substitute inside what? Okay. Technically, you are not totally wrong, sir. Okay, you're not totally wrong, Zami. So this one, A is 1, C is negative 3. Still, you cannot get B. I suggest you choose a small number now. Either 0, 1, negative 1, 2, or negative 2. Which one is the easiest of all? 0 lah. So if you let x equals to 0, what will we get? Is 9 equals to? No, 0 plus 2? 2 squared? Okay, let me put that first. B is still there, B. 0 minus 1? Negative 1. Times 2, very good. What about here? Negative 3, negative 1. Are you okay? Do you want me to repeat this one again? Please raise your hand if you want me to. Thank you. I see someone there, Tana. Okay, so this one, just be careful, you'll be fine. Negative 2b plus 3. I need to, one moment. 7, 2, negative 2b. So b is negative 1. So our answer just now is, the partial is A is, A is 1, B is negative 1, and C is negative 3. So rewriting the whole thing back, we get ourselves 1 over x minus 1 plus, okay, what's B? B is negative 1, right? So normally this is how we write. Negative 1 over x plus 2. We put the negative by the side. We ignore the positive. And then negative 3 x plus 2 squared. You okay? Okay, just one example just to show, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to ask you about it. Kosong? Where did I get this one from? Just choose any small numbers. Any small number. Well, the reason you cannot use 1 is because you have used 1 over here. So my advice is 0, 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2. Somewhere around there. Okay? Good question. Can we move on? Okay, one example for you. Okay, we're going to finish this quick. What about if you got this? Oh, sorry, tak nampak. What about this one? X plus 1 is what? Linear. So we can say the easiest one is a over x plus 1. Now what about x squared? Yep, x squared is repeated. So what do you get? How are you going to repeat x squared? Just imagine x squared as x plus 0 squared. Then things get a lot easier. So b over x plus c over x squared. Are you okay? So if I change this one, what will I get? 3x plus 1 equals to? What about this one? A just x squared. Are you okay? What about B? X plus 1 x. Are you okay? Do you get this? Yes. Tak faham tanya sekarang. Tak faham angkat tangan? Thank you. Now what about C? X plus 1. Okay, I'm not going to do this for you. This is easy. I'll tell you the answer so you can try it by yourself. The answer that you get is 2 over x plus 1 over x squared minus 2 over x plus 1. That's the answer. Please try it by yourself later. Okay, salin dulu. Right, moving on to the last one.